Hi, this is Fiorella Anilda from anyhousecleaning.com right here in Real Palms. This is a resort area and this is a vacation home. It's like a townhouse, a 2-story vacation rental right here in Champions Gate, close to Devonport. We have 2 bathrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs and 1 here. We already split Hilda run upstairs to remove all the sheets, because in a vacation home the most time that you spend is washing and drying the sheets. In the meantime, she is taking out the garbage, and I already pre-spray the cleaning products on the bathrooms. I already put Clorox inside the toilet and the antibacterial or disinfectant around the toilet, and all of the surface are wet. That's the best way that we clean. We spray and let it see the product, so it will start working the product. I already spray. I don't know if you can see. This is wet because I already sprayed the cleaning product. So later I'm gonna come and start cleaning. Hilda is taking out the garbage. She already took out all the sheets and start washing. This is one of the bedrooms. It's a twin bed. I love this vacation home. Señora, ya coma.
Sí,
So she's already washing. When I took this vacation home, I did a deep cleaning, and after that there was another washer and dryer here, but it didn't function properly, so I request to buy another one. So now this is a little bit bigger and it's brand new. So she's washing. Here's the master. She already removed the sheets. The pillows are here, comfortable, and already pre-sprayed. All the surface are wet. I put some Clorox inside the toilet, and as you see, I put the disinfectant here. Spray the walls. I don't know if you can see that it's wet. And I put the cleaning product around the surface, so it will start cleaning. The other bedroom is right here. She already took out the garbage. She removed the sheets. The pillows are here. The owner's closet is here. So we have everything here that we put for the new guests. Toilet paper, paper towel, some other refreshener. All our supplies are here in this plastic cabinet. This is what we have to do. Put 2 rolls of toilet paper in each bathroom, 2 pots of this detergent under the sink in the kitchen, 2 pots for washing machine, and 2 rolls of paper towels in the counter and under the sink. Refill hand soap at sinks. And I already pre-sprayed the sink. It's wet. Put some Clorox inside. Pre-spray. And pre-spray here. So that's how I do it. Then I go downstairs, finish pre-spray in the kitchen. In the meantime, we're gonna take lunch because we didn't eat. And this is Fiorella and Hilda from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. She's taking a break, a lunch, a good salad. She's on diet.
Always.
And I'm in diet too. Oh my God. Okay, take care, okay, Fiorella? 407-572-4118. Bye. Hello.